Hey, so I just installed this really awesome ceiling light and fan. It is such a great upgrade from what I had in here before and totally matches my decor. I love it. So it's this cotton rope on the outside. It just gives you a really fun vintage farmhouse type of look and it's just really cool. In the inside there are 4 bulbs. They're E26 LED bulbs. They give off good light, but they're like a vintage Edison bulb. So I love the look of that with the fan, with the light. And then inside is also a fan. You can't even see the blades right now, but it's the cutest little fan that gives off a nice breeze. You can change its direction. So in the summer you go the one way to blow the air down. In the winter you would reverse it so it makes the wing go up and really circulates the air nicely. Comes with this remote. You can actually program the fan and the light to be on for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours if you choose. And then there's different speeds, 6 different speeds for the fan as well. There's a natural wind and then the regular option as well for the fan. And there's an on and off switch for the fan and also for the light. This goes in, it functions with your regular light switch as well. So as long as that's on, then the remote will work. There's a little pocket that it can go into. You actually screw it into the wall. So put this right beside your light switch so you never lose the remote, which is awesome. Now I want to show you the fan. You'll be able to see my hair blowing in the breeze. So it's just really tiny. It has like a wood look to it, and it's just a really fun light fixture. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna put it on the highest speed here. See if you can see my hair blowing. Oh yeah. So the fan works nicely. I can feel it when I'm on the ground. It's going to circulate the air really nicely. This is super easy to install. One of the easier installments I've had of light fixtures. So I really appreciate that. It's very sturdy and just gives my whole room a completed look. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope that this works out for you as well.